Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number is A7731. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats. Those are stow and go seats, so they will fold flat into the floor to give you more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, as well as dual heated seats and a heated steering wheel. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Caravan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.